Hello students, welcome to Pathkhala classroom. আজি আমি maths Olympiadৰ এটা problem solve কৰিব লৈছো. We'll talk about divisibility rule of 3. ঠিক আছে? Let us share my screen. Divisibility rule of 3, if you remember. Say if I take any number, say if I take any 36. Okay, if this number is divisible by 3 or not, how do we find out? So here there are two digits, right? This is the ones digit and this is the tens digit, right? So we add both the ones and 10 digits, so it will be how much? 3 plus 6. So 3 plus 6 is how much? So it comes out to 9, right? So when we add all the digits and the resultant number, in this case 9, we have to check whether this number, a number to 3 divide hoy na nohoy. So we know that 3 times 3 is 9, right? 3 times 3 is equal to 9, right? So that means this number 36 is divisible by 3. Okay, so let us take another example. Let us take another example. Let's assume we take another number, say 43. Let's check whether this number is divisible by 3. So here the two digits are 4 plus 3, right? So it comes to how much? 4 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So whether this number is 7 is divisible by 3. If you know that 3 table, this 3 times 1 is 3, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9. So 7 is not divisible by 3, right? Hence 43 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so and so forth. You can take any larger number. If we take, say, a larger number, say, let us take another large number. Say large number is 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, say. Okay, in this case the addition of the digits will be 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, right? So if you add all the digits, it comes out to 12. Now is 12 divisible by 3? Yes, 12 is divisible by 3 because 3 times 4 is 12, right? 3 times 4 is 12 is equal to 12. Okay. So 2343 is divisible by 3. So now can you check whether 2343 is divisible by 3? I mean, can we directly check whether 2343 is divisible by 3? I think sure we can find that out, right? So let's try that. 2343, whether it is divisible by 3. So if you multiply, if you divide by 3, okay, erase this part. Okay, if we divide by 3, 3 sevens are 21, right? So if we subtract 21 from 23, balance is 2, 24 remains. Now 3 8s are 24, right? Right? Then how much? This okay, here comes 3. So 3 ones are 3, right? 3 ones are 3. So 3 times 781, if you multiply, it gives this 2343. We can again cross check. If you remember, we can cross check by multiplying the quotient with the divisor, right? 3 times 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24, 2, 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 is 23. Okay, so we just check that number 2343 is divisible by 3. Okay, now this is not our main problem. This is how we check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, now we go back to our problem statement here. Our problem statement, scroll up. Okay, this is our problem statement. This was a Olympiad question which came in the last year's paper 2023 in category 1. As you can see, the number 21x8 is divisible by 3. What are the possible values of x? What are the possible values of x? Please note down this question. Okay, all of you, please note down this question in your notebook. So all of you please take note, right? As you can see in this statement, our the number is a 4-digit number, 21x8. Okay, it is telling us that 21x8 is 4 digits. The number is divisible by 3, right? So we know that for a number to be divisible by 3, the sum of all these numbers has to be divisible by 3. So let us add these numbers. Okay, let us add these numbers. So add this 2 plus 1 plus x plus 8. Note down in your notebook. Okay, write down, is divisible by 3, right? Divisible by 3 is divisible by 3. Right? So, so if we add 2 plus 1 plus 8, it comes to 11 plus x, right? So now 11 plus x is divisible by 3, right? 11 plus x is divisible by 3. Okay. So the number 11 plus x is divisible by 3. But we don't know what is 11 plus x, because we don't know what is x. We have to find out what are the possible values of x. That is the question. What are the possible values of x? Okay. Right. So we know for a number to be divisible by 3, it is as we know, what are the, let us go through the multiples of 3, right? The multiples of 3 are how much? 0, then 3, then 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. If you know the 3 multiplication table, these are the multiples of 3, right? 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, so and so forth. So this continues, you know. So that means 11 plus x. Okay, 11 plus x is either 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so forth. But we know, but x is an integer, isn't it? X is an integer. X is an integer. X is a digit. Is a digit, right? You know what is a digit, right? Digit is either it is 0 or it is 0 to 9. It can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 till 9. Because as the problem statement says, it is the number itself is 21x8, right? So x cannot be 2-digit number. It has to be a 1-digit number, right? Got it? So now let us say we take 11. We just check with all the numbers from 0 to 9. 11 plus 0 is how much? 11. So let us do it like this. Just a moment. With x, sorry, with x is equal to 0, it is 11 plus 0, right? It is 11. So is 11 divisible by 3? No, right? With x is equal to 1, 11 plus 1. We are putting the values of x here, right? It will be 11 plus 1. Right? So 11 plus 1 is 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. So x can be 1. 11x is equal to, when we take 2, it will be 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. So is 13 divisible by 3? No, right? X equal to 3, 11 plus 3, it will be 14, right? Am I right? If 14 divisible by 3? No, right? X is equal to 5, 11 plus, sorry, let's put x equal to 4 here, not 5. I'm sorry. Let's put x equal to 4 here, right? X equal to 4, 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Right. Am I right? So, and then let's carry on. Let's check for the other numbers again. With x is equal to 5, 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. Definitely 16 is not divisible by 3. With x is equal to 6, 11 plus 6 is equal to 17, right? So is 17 divisible by 3? No, right? Let's carry on for the next page. Okay. So you all of you have noted down these things, right? So you have noted down till here x is equal to 6. So number comes out to be 11 plus x comes out to 17. After that, since there's no space, I'm writing it above here. You continue. So let me take this. Okay. If x is equal to 7, so 11 plus 7 is how much? 18, right? So is 18 divisible by 3? Correct. If x is equal to 8, 11 plus 8 is 19. So a 19 is not divisible by 3. Simply if x is equal to 9, 11 plus 9 is again 20, right? So 20 is also not divisible by 3. So we found that x has to be from 0 to 9, and we have all checked from 0 till 9 all the possible values, right? And we found out that these numbers, when x is 1, 11 plus 1 is 12. So 12, when x is not, when x is 4, this 11 plus x is divisible by 3. And when x is 7, right? So these are the possible values of x. So x can either be 1, or x can be 4, or x can be 7. So this is the answer. The possible values of x is 1, 4 and 7. As this question was asked, what are the possible values of x? The possible values of x is 1, 4 and 7. Okay. Is it understood? Both of you, is it understood? Can you unmute your this one and tell me? Sahars?
Yes, I have understood.
Okay, Diana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So this is how divisibility questions are asked in the Olympiad. Okay, this is just one example. We'll see some more examples. Okay. So, but for today, we will close our session. In our next video, we'll discuss some more problems. Thank you all, and please like and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And all the best for the Olympiad.
Thank you, sir.